Hello and good morning, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This morning we are going to do a walk around startup and a drive video for you on a really neat car. 1964 Ford Fairlane 500. This is a Thunderbolt Tribute car. This car has been in a private collection for many years. The gentleman we bought the car from, I've known him for a lot of years as well. He said this is a 16,000 original mile car. Obviously, there's no Carfax on this car to verify that, but that's what he told me. And it has a 427 side oiler in it, dual quads, teardrop hood. This is just like you would see one back in the 60s when they were on the drag strips. This thing has a ton of power. 9-inch Ford rear end, Doug Nash 5-speed manual transmission. This is from the collection of Paul Marino. Got all the decals on it. This is one super nice, clean, solid car. I'll take some undercarriage pictures of it here in just a little while. This thing sounds just awesome. There's the 1965 427 cross bolt main top oiler. It's got the correct intake on it, air cleaner and intake tubes. All original interior in the car. Just a real neat car. And this car was raced, so I'm sure that was prior to the upgrade of the 5-speed manual. And like you say, all the interior in the car is all original. About as close to the real deal as you're gonna find. Check out the jambs and the door gaps, the panel fitment. Just really nice. Pretty cool license plate on the front there. Got all the 427 emblems on it. I will start this car up and we will drive it. However, I don't think I'll start it up here for a minute, but it gets pretty, obviously this is a high performance car. It gets a little gassy in here. So it's got the drag slicks there. You drive it to the strip and change them out. Run it down the strip, rear mounted battery with the battery shut off. This little piece here is sitting on the dash, that little piece for that tail light, little cone. It's sitting in here somewhere, I just seen it. I was actually wondering, what is that for? And then I walked around there and I was like, oh, that's what it's for. All right. that gas gauge is working. I put 5 gallon of 110 race fuel in it, so it hasn't came up, so I'd have to put a little bit more in to see if that gas gauge is working. Transmission shifts nice. What a way cool car. We'll get out and walk around it quick. Later in the fall, I guess. So many of these cars, you can't drive them down the street. This one you can, and it has a ton of power. I couldn't even hold on to the camera and shift it through the gears fast enough. And with the dual quads on there, I was not even, I don't even know if I was half throttle. So this thing runs awesome. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. Give us a call. Beautiful 64 Ford Fairlane 500 Thunderbolt Tribute, 427 side oiler with a 5-speed. And I believe them miles too. This thing drives great. The interior is super nice. What a cool car. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you guys soon.